Effective May 4, 2020, Bulk by Haven Costco has started to require every shopper and associate to wear face coverings to enter its stores as a protective measure against the COVID-19 virus. Craig Jelinek, president and CEO of Costco Wholesale, said in a statement about the new policy, all Costco members and guests must wear a face covering that covers the mouth and nose at all times while at Costco. This requirement does not apply to children under the age of 2 or to individuals who are unable to wear a face covering due to a medical condition. Jelinek went on to acknowledge, "We know some members may find this inconvenient or objectionable, but under the circumstances, we believe that added safety is worth any inconvenience. This is not simply a matter of personal choice. A face covering protects not just the wearer, but others too." Though the U.S. Centers for Disease Control recommends that people wear face masks in public to slow the spread of the coronavirus, some Costco customers are still upset about the store's new policy. Some are pledging to boycott Costco in response. Some customers choose to disagree with the science behind Costco's move to require masks in keeping with the CDC guidelines, while others simply object to being told what to do in a climate where many aspects of daily life are being mandated by the government in the name of public safety.
I just don't think it's necessary. I really don't. Nobody's going to go in and sneeze in your face.
A simple search of the hashtag Boycott Costco on Twitter yields a staggering number of posts from shoppers who are not taking the store's policy lightly. For example, one said, "Masks are to condition people into unquestioning servitude to the government. We will not patronize any store who require us to wear an article of clothing in order to conduct commerce." Many tweets came from people claiming to be members, saying they would stop spending money at Costco until the policy is changed. One said, "After 20 years of being a member, this will be my last weekend to shop in your store." Customers also took their frustrations over Costco's face mask policy out on Instagram. One unhappy shopper threatened, "Rethink your face mask policy beginning May 4th. We have been shopping without them prior. I will cancel my membership." Another asked, "What's the deal with the masks? 2 months into a pandemic and now masks?" Not everyone hates the policy, though. Other shoppers urge commenters to stop, quote, whining about the policy. Clearly in support of the face mask requirement and Costco's efforts to protect its shoppers and workers.
I don't mind it. I think it's a good policy to wear a mask in a store where you're going to be close to other people.
It's yet to be seen how the policy will impact store sales and memberships, or if other stores will follow in Costco's footsteps and start requiring shoppers to wear face coverings to enter. Here's something we do know, though. Costco sales fell for the first time in a decade in April 2020, according to CNN. In a statement, the company briefly explained, April sales were negatively impacted by COVID-19. The drop makes a lot more sense when you remember Costco sells gas. With far fewer people commuting to work and school due to the pandemic, they're also not heading to the pump as often. Costco has also closed its travel booking divisions and food courts, as well as optical, hearing aid, and photo departments. All that, in addition to less bulk panic buying in April than in February and March, likely led to the dip. One has to wonder if the customers who are pledging to boycott Costco will move the needle even more into the red for the bulk buying powerhouse. Will their movement gain steam, or is it just a lot of online complaining? Enough customers are continuing to shop at Costco, even with its new face mask requirement, that the chain is having to remind people about the ongoing importance of staying at least 6 feet apart. In a new update to its coronavirus store policy, Costco stated, "The use of a face covering should not be seen as a substitute for social distancing. Please continue to observe rules regarding appropriate distancing while on Costco premises. Thank you for your understanding and cooperation." Check out one of our newest videos right here. Plus, even more list videos about health and safety are coming soon. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single one.